How to log in into Mississauga property tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Mississauga property tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Mississauga property tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different options, click on the first one that says view your property tax bill. Wait for a while until this page loads up. Now here on this page, scroll down and here you will see this blue button that says view tax bill. Click on it. Now all you need to do is enter your property tax information. Enter your PIN number and identify your property. You need to identify your property by selecting any one of the method, whether it is property address or roll number. You also need to enter your street number, street address and unit number, which is optional. After entering all of the details, scroll down and tap on I agree button under the terms of services. Now finally click on submit and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.